Testing.
Very.
Okay.
Okay, so
Fire department, this is okay. Yeah.
ready to go?
Who's the timing person? Daisy?
Daisy.
还有1分钟。你要说是讲话。要不他们
This is one of the most important things of this whole 4 days.
We're good.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everybody. So this afternoon, we're celebrating 2 birthdays. The 25th anniversary of the Sackler Gallery, the Arthur M. Sackler Gallery of the Smithsonian, and the 50th birthday of the Art in Embassies program of the State Department. It wasn't that long ago that Virginia Shaw of the Art in Embassies program and I learned that we actually had a clash of galas. We learnt this from the artist Cai Guo-Qiang. And so we decided not to divide his presence, but to work in tandem, to share his vision, his mind, his eye. So we came up with this pyrotechnic project you're about to see. This is a joint celebration, but please, it's not just a celebration of our past, but our future. For we have decided to form a partnership, that's the Art and Embassies program of the State Department, feedback, with the Sackler Gallery. For the Art and Embassies program commissions artworks, but they are not shown in the US before they're shipped to the relevant US embassies and missions. So from now on, we intend a selection of these commissions to be shown at the Sackler before they're sent abroad. It's very appropriate that this afternoon's celebration is the work of Cai Guo-Qiang, because in 2006, Cai Guo-Qiang created a 6-panel gunpowder drawing called Eagle Landing on a Pine Branch. He did this for the new American Embassy in Beijing. And many of you will recall that 2 years earlier, in 2004, Cai created Traveller, a site-specific installation for the Sackler, in which 7 tons of porcelain spilled out of the wrecked hull of a Japanese wooden fishing boat. Cai is renowned for his explosion events, a thrilling combination of pyrotechnics, artistry, and optical illusion. And here, this lovely pine tree will erupt in a shimmer of fireworks, followed by black, ink-like smoke that will mimic traditional Chinese brush drawing. From a real tree, a second, ethereal tree will be born. 1 prose, 1 poetry. What you'll see is that Cai is an artist. He's also something of a magician, an alchemist constantly shifting our perception of the elements. And I'd now like to call on Beth Dozeretz of the Art and Embassies program to say a few words.
Thank you. I'm the Director of Art and Embassies, and we are very, very excited to be having this collaboration with the Sackler and Art and Embassies. In particular, we're happy to be honoring Cai Guo-Qiang. He was just at the State Department with Secretary Clinton. He is one of our very first recipients of the United States Department, the U.S. Department of State Medal of Arts Award. Congratulations, Cai. We're so proud of you, and thank you for everything you've done for Art and Embassies. Thank you. And Virginia Shore, the Chief Curator and Deputy Director.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are so excited to be here. I'm standing here with Julian and Carol and the rest of the Sackler team, Sarah Velamud, the rest of the Art and Embassies team that worked on this collaboration over the last few months. It's been an amazing partnership and a joy to work with the Sackler team. So I just wanted to say, well, we're all here with the anticipation of Cai's work exploding. I first saw Cai's work here at the Sackler, and as a result, it has ended up in the embassy in Beijing. Now, the Sackler and the Art and Embassies program will be working together, hopefully for years to come, on all sorts of new partnerships. So let's let the show begin. Cai Guo-Qiang, everybody, let's give him some applause. Yay!
OK， 谢谢大家来 ，Thank you everybody。OK， 我介绍一下这个作品，等一下会怎么样
So let me talk about what will be coming.
？OK， 第一个爆炸是会从底下往上。
So there will be 3 explosions. The first will be from bottom of the tree up to the tip.
只有1秒半，但是我们会倒计时，当数到3、2、1 ，fire， 它会1秒半，咚。
And this section will be 1.5 seconds. But then we'll be counting down from 10. So down to 3, 2, 1, fire, and then go.
所以我们不会很在意这个烟闪得怎么样，也不在意这个风有多大。在这个烟里面，我们还会5秒以后，马上紧接着有3秒钟，咚咚咚咚咚咚咚咚咚咚咚咚。
So regardless of the wind speed or which way it will blow, after 5 seconds exactly, the second explosion will start, where there will be black smoke twinkling all over a tree, going boom, 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 boom.
就像一个圣诞树在点灯一样，但它是白天的圣诞树，所以它是像反转片一样是黑点。
It will be like a tree lighting ceremony, except during the day. So instead of having a Christmas tree with lights at night, this would be like a film negative where the colors are reversed.
另外，最后一次，因为今天的风，大家可以看那个美国国旗，风不大，所以这个烟会慢慢散。我们需要等一等，让它干净了以后来最后一次。
And with the last explosion, as you can see from the American flag on top of the Sackler Gallery of Art, there's not much wind today. So we might have to wait for a little while for the smoke to clear. And then we will count down again, and then all the remaining fireworks will ignite on the tree all at once.
第3次爆炸，我们喊到3、2、1的时候，它只有瞬间砰一下。
So we'll count down from 10, and then 3, 2, 1, boom.
所以大家可以感受到一个黑色的树干干净净的出来，就一个实的一个虚的树。
And I'm hoping everyone will be able to see a tree shade cloud drifting off. So you have one real tree and one ethereal tree.
大家可能会感到，哦，这个树有一点点小。其实我也想更大一点。
So you might be thinking, this tree is looking a little short, and I was hoping for a bigger tree too.
但是就是这棵树已经很不容易。我要感谢主办者，也感谢那个 Smithsonian 和国家公园的支持，因为运一棵树进来挺不容易的。
But it takes many people and many effort, people working behind the scenes to clear all these hurdles. And here I would like to thank the organizers, the Smithsonian Institution, the Freer and the Sackler Gallery, also the National Park Service, and last but not least, the U.S. Department of State Art and Embassies program.
谢谢大家。那我们等待时间。
So thank you, everyone. Now we just have to check to make sure everything's ready to go.
然后我们最后有一个1分钟倒计时，大家都会知道。
We'll start with a 1-minute countdown, and we'll let you know.
OK。Yeah.
One minute.
1 minute.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. 5, 4, 3.
现在我们要等烟散。
Now we have to wait for the smoke to clear.
Now we're waiting for the smoke to clear until the last countdown of 10.
Ten, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire.
树大起来了。
Now this tree is growing.
Going.
OK。好，像一个国画。谢谢大家。
Now it looks like a Chinese ink painting. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you all very much, everybody, for coming. We've started our partnership with a bang.
Julie, did you meet Jeff?